Hi, my name is Ty Nguyen, and I am the owner of Bledo Eatery. We are a beneficiary of the THRIVE program. Before joining THRIVE, a lot of the uncertainties that we've had with the business was revolved around clarity and just taking the necessary next steps in terms of growing our business and finding what those steps are. The services that we receive from THRIVE, there were a few key services, but I think the biggest impact was our website, the revamping of it. We were able to implement SEO so that we can target our audience in different areas and drive business. Already we've seen an uptick in our catering orders as it has been brought online, and that process itself has become much more smooth. If I had to summarize my entire THRIVE experience, I would say that I was able to work with some great people. My mentor, my coach was great, and he really helped me to gain the confidence I needed to drive my business forward, the clarity that I needed to plan for us, to plan ahead strategically.